Today I'm going to show you a video about a product that reached out to me and sent me this unit. It's called Etekcity Smart Nutritional Scale, a Bluetooth device that allows you to get accurate representation on the macro and micronutrients inside of food, which allows you to get a clear picture on just what's really going on. The app on the phone is so intuitive, it has thousands of different types of foods that are common in the American diet. It allows you to find exactly what you're eating, get an accurate measurement of what's inside there, your macro and micronutrients, how much fat, how much protein, how many carbs, how much sugar, how much fiber. Unbelievable. Within 5 minutes of opening the box, downloading the app, linking the two up together, the plate and the phone, it gives you a wealth of information. Compare this to what it was like back in the 70s, 80s, 90s. We had to measure our food out. We had to look at the box and try to determine exactly what we're taking in, which became so time consuming that most of us didn't follow through with this. One of the things that I'm always trying to do is I'm always trying to find ways to help people and ways to help myself achieve goals in an easier, more simple path. So when it comes down to my goals for this channel is to find solutions for health and wellness. Hacks to get for back problems, hacks for headaches, vertigo, a diet, things of this nature. I've been in the medical field for a long time, and I do understand from the thousands of patients I had, the question I get over and over again, and I do understand that it can get so confusing out there. And my goal is to shed light. So when I find products that I feel are superb and I really truly believe that they can truly help you, your family, your friends, or you can share this information, or they can see the results you're getting and you can share those results with other people. This is what we, as human beings on this planet, we need to start helping each other. And one of the biggest problems is type 2 diabetes, obesity, and all the health problems with heart attacks, strokes, and all the other things that are related to poor dietary intakes, not doing the right exercise, right movements to promote lymphatic flow, blood flow, muscle activity, coordination, core strength. These all are like, each one is a small little block, but when you get the blocks that have the most importance and you focus on those, this is where miracles happen. It's unbelievable how powerful small changes can make, but they have to be the right small changes. One of the main things about dieting is you have to understand that you have to measure things. If you don't measure things, you're not going to get results. Because you'd be surprised at how many calories are in foods that you're not sure what a serving size is. And it's just small changes. Like, you'd be surprised at how much fat is hidden in food. When I was trying to find a solution, simplicity. I want things to be simple. I want things to be direct and simple, because the simpler something is, the easier it is to follow through. A company reached out to me and they explained their product with me and they wanted to share it with me, and I went ahead and brought it in, and the quality was by far better than I ever thought. This thing is unbelievable. It's a Bluetooth device, hooks up to your phone. It allows you to put the food in there. It has a library of foods. It seems it goes on and on. It's all internet based, so you can keep updating it. It allows you to pick the food, and they have, say like pistachios, they have salted, raw. It goes on and on and on, so that you can find exactly how many calories and what calories are inside these foods. It broke it down to the fat, the sugar, the micronutrients. Unbelievable. And it allows you to really simply dial in your food intake. Because one of the things I try to tell people is that the goal is to find about 10 different meals, 8 to 12 meals, and just eat those same meals over and over and over again. What you do is you find out exactly how many calories or what a serving size is, and you can continuously follow this. Say, like, for example, say it's shrimp, steamed vegetables, and white rice. Then you might have lean beef, asparagus, maybe some yams. Eating between these 8 and 12 meals that you can eat throughout the week, you can fully understand exactly what your intake is. Then if you're not getting results, you can modify it. And by having a device that allows you to store on your phone everything you eat during the day and give you exact reading on what it is that your intake is, makes dieting so much easier. Again, this company is called Etekcity. The link's in the description. Go to the website, learn more. This is a great device. I can't recommend this enough. My name is Dr. Mike Moriarty. This is a product review. I want to thank you. God bless you. Have a great day.
You getting stuck, I see feet in the mud. You have been caught in the flood. While the water isn't parted, we run, reap what you sow, the harvest is us. You have been enjoying life, sipping the syrup and a line in the way. Taking whatever you touch, the sword of the wicked is covered in blood. Welcome to the city of the nonsense. Pleasure is the peace we can find in. Dive in, ride a shotgun alongside the divided. Taking a piece of the pie, takes what was provided. We won't be silenced, the path is widened. We found our God in blood, sweat, spit, and these bricks for Babylon, made from the dust. These